Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a game bar not recording in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select gaming, on right side select game bar and make sure it is turned on. After that search game bar in search menu and right click on it and select app settings. And now select the terminate option and scroll down and select the repair option. And after getting repair done, select the reset option. And now you can check if the problem solved or not guys. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates, click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After doing it, just to close stuff here and now open up Chrome or any game you want. And now press Windows key and G key together and this Xbox game bar will open up. This game bar only works on active application, for example browser, game, etc. It doesn't work on desktop and file explorer. So for example, I'm going to record the video, start recording, and as you can see capture status is turned on. If you want to stop recording, select the stop recording option. You can turn it on over mic if you want. And I stopped the recording and select see my captures and the video has been recorded right over here. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.